Welcome to the Crypto Andrew Show. I'll be live tonight, Saturdays and Mondays at 11 p.m. Central Time. Without further ado, I appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe button if you guys are new, and hit the bell notifications to get notified every time I post a video. I do want to look at JASMY coin to start this video off and to end the video. The monthly time frame on JASMY has measured move all the way up to 4.4 cents. But the monthly time frame is overbought. The money flow is also overbought. But I like all the other time frames, like the weekly time frame. Money flow just starting to curve to the upside, and even the stock RSI still has more upside. And right now, the stock RSI on the weekly time frame is sitting at 33. Also, on the weekly time frame, you have a falling wedge with a move up to that resistance level at 4.4, almost 4.5 cents. If we go down to the 3-day time frame, we can see that the 3-day time frame is trying to break out of this falling wedge, but it is overbought on the 3-day time frame. So at least on the 3-day time frame, that's a lower high, but on the smaller time frames, we're making higher highs, and I like it. The 3-day time frame also has more upside on the money flow. So I believe that the stock RSI is either going to get pinned and overbought, and we're going to continue to the upside up to the next target at 2.6 cents and then 4.4. I'm sorry, then 3.4 and then 4.4. Or we make a higher low on price action and make a higher low above. Basically, I would want to hold 2 cents, or worst case scenario, you must hold 1.8. You do have support back to the downside at 1.7, and you have support right here at 1.9, basically 2 cents. I think it's more like at 2 cents. So that is some good stuff if you do get the correction. The daily time frame right now is already starting to get the move back to the downside, so it's very likely now that you are going to continue lower. Your next support to the downside, like I said, is at 2 cents, and then below that, you're looking at 1.7 cents. The daily time frame is looking like it's going to make a higher low. Unless you lose 1.7 cents, that's a higher low on the daily time frame. Money flow is a little bit bearish, so just be cautious. That's still all the way up there at 60, and it can go down to negative 100. So I just be cautious right now on the money flow. The money flow does suggest you have a little bit further downside. My guess is you would find support at that 2 cent level. So the daily time frame is looking like it's gonna make a higher low. The daily looks good to me. The 12-hour is already making a higher low. Money flow has a little more downside. It still has a ways to go down. It's still at 26 out of negative 100. So again, just be cautious here. I would like to call this a falling wedge on the 12-hour time frame, but that's like a bearish engulfing candle, which means it's a bigger red candle than the previous one. So to me, that's not really a falling wedge. That's just a correction. If we go all the way down to the 4-hour time frame, right now on JASMY coin, again, to me, that's not a very beautiful falling wedge. So I'm not going to call it a falling wedge. Your next stop is a 200-day simple moving average, which is all the way down there at 2 cents. So here's what I think is going to happen on JASMY, is I do believe we're going to make a higher low down to 2 cents. If you don't hold 2 cents, you're looking at 1.7. But pretty much, to me, if you don't hold 2 cents, that's extremely bearish. So the bulls must hold 2 cents. You must make a higher low above 2 cents. The stock RSI is oversold, as is the money flow, so the 4-hour time frame is overdue for a bounce. But again, you're not sitting on support, and you made a lower low, so right now it's very likely that you go down to the next support between 1.9 and 2 cents. If you lose that level, you're looking at that last local low on the macro time frame all the way down 1.7 cents. So if you don't hold 2 cents, look for 1.7, and if you can, and bulls, as far as resistance goes, must break 2.4 cents for continuation to the upside. If you can do that, you can look for 2.658, and then above that you'd be looking at 3.4 cents. So right now, I believe you're going to see move back to 2 cents for a higher low, and then we can go and retest the next resistance, which is at 2.6 cents. So I'm bullish on JASMY midterm and long term, but short term, I see it move back down to 2 cents. If you guys enjoyed this update, appreciate if you hit the like and subscribe. I'll be live tonight. Hopefully, I'll see you guys in the live stream in just a few minutes. I'll see you guys over there. Thank you guys for stopping by and supporting the stream.